stay calm. I don't want you freaking out, okay?
Oh my car! Oh my car!
Holy shit, we're actually in the tornado. Oh my god.
My car!
I know.
Get in the back of that car so you don't get hit!
I can't, babe. It's... Holy shit. Oh my god, just stay calm, babe. Just stay calm. Oh, my ears.
Oh my gosh!
We're literally in the tornado right now.
The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a tornado warning for southern Madison County in southwestern Illinois, northern St. Clair County in
Oh my gosh!
Oh my ears, bro. Just stay calm, babe. Stay calm. It's okay. Stay calm. Holy shit.
2:34 p.m.
Stay calm.
was located over St. Anne or over Overland, moving east at 50 miles per hour.
Oh my
Expected
fucking
hazard
god.
speed